It's very simple to post a Padlet that you've created within a module on Brightspace. To begin, open the Padlet that you'd like to post. Click on the Share button here on the right, and then click on Copy Link to Clipboard. Now, open your Brightspace module. I have my module open here. And click on Upload Create and create a link. Give your link a title. I'm going to make it identical to the title of the Padlet. And then paste the URL you just copied here in the URL field. Uncheck the box for Open as External Resource. Brightspace will warn you that this is not recommended. You can disregard the warning and click Yes. And go ahead and click Create. Now you'll see the Padlet rendered within your Brightspace course. And you see here, you have the button for students to click to make a post if you've enabled this. Then if we go back in the breadcrumb to look at the module, you'll find the link that we just created here at the bottom.